Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two popular microphones for content creators and streamers. Before we dive into the comparison, we would greatly appreciate it if you could like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this. Alright, let's get started. Let's start by comparing the prices of these two microphones. The FIFINE Studio Condenser USB microphone is priced at $59, while the Elgato Wave 3 comes in at $149. Both options have different price points, so it's essential to consider your budget and the features offered by each microphone. When it comes to sound quality, both microphones excel in their respective ways. The FIFINE Studio Condenser USB microphone offers excellent sound reproduction with its wide frequency response and handles high SPLS with ease. On the other hand, the Elgato Wave 3 features a cardioid condenser capsule that captures speech with clarity and detail, delivering a professional broadcast audio quality. In terms of ease of use, the FIFINE Studio Condenser USB microphone is designed with a simple plug-and-play setup. Just connect it directly to your PC or laptop via USB, and you're ready to go. Similarly, the Elgato Wave 3 offers seamless audio transmission and comes with the Wave Link app, allowing you to control the microphone and other audio sources effortlessly. When it comes to additional features, the FIFINE Studio Condenser USB microphone includes a durable arm set with a versatile scissor arm stand, a pop filter for minimizing unwanted noise, and a user-friendly technical support. On the other hand, the Elgato Wave 3 incorporates proprietary clip guard technology that prevents distortion and superior circuitry for seamless sonic transmission throughout the entire signal chain. And there you have it, a detailed comparison between these two popular microphones. Keep in mind that both the FIFINE Studio Condenser USB microphone and the Elgato Wave 3 have their unique strengths, and it's important to prioritize your specific needs and preferences when choosing the right one for you. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.